Parang meron. Parang meron nga. Kita ka sa amin na Liam. Kasi dyan ka na. Kasi baka may ipit kita.
Okay ka lang dyan.
Welcome to Top of the Rock. 3 levels of inspiring views and exciting experiences await you.
Ladies and gentlemen, step on now. You got 2 more levels to explore. Restrooms are going to be on floor 66 around the corner. Okay. That's the elevator that you use with Shuttle. Have a great time. Welcome to level 1, Cafe Load. Ladies and gentlemen, load on in, load on in. Load on in, load on in. I mean,
'Pwede nga po.